guys, it's Nerf Bros here.
And it's changing.
Also that too, but
Yeah. Okay, can we introduce my brother to you? Come here, Bubbies. Brayden. Oh, he's wet. No. Yeah. Just sit over there.
okay. We are going to show our Nerf guns. I have a rival.
Oh, we got 2 bullets.
It's one of. Don't stop. It's this rival and this rival. It's already pulled back. All I do is gotta push it forward. Pull the trigger.
Wait, I'll show mine.
That's mine.
I know. This work. Put it down. Oh, sorry, guys.
I'm gonna show mine. This one. Plus we got this clip. This clip right here. The soft rubber ball. Ow!
I'm sorry.
Soft rubber ball. We go in here. I have a long one too. Now I'm gonna show my other Nerf gun. Pop this back. Pull this trigger.
Can I show one what I got for your birthday?
Yeah, so done. Got this. You can get this $1 something. $1, I think $1.09 at the gas station of Shell and Battle Creek,
Michigan.
Look. It's full of bubble gum.
It's really good too. My favorite is gonna be the blue kind. This I think is for red, right?
Show yours.
Don't. This is. Ow! Stop it, Brayden. This is Jesus Christ. This is. This is my Nerf gun, and it has a lot of things in it, and it has this, this cute little design. Hey, stop! I'm gonna shoot you. I have bullets, and it shoots like that. It has cool. It used to have a light on it right here, but it broke.
A light.
Yeah, it used to, but it broke.
Let me see.
It wasn't on there. Now it's all ripped off. You can't see it anymore.
Brayden's spitting on your. Brayden's scared. He also spit in your mirrors.
Stop! Oh my god. That was like the scariest. Really scary. And this is it. And also, I'm also going to be showing you what I got for my birthday. Because my birthday was yesterday, September 2nd, 2016. Hi! I was born in 2008, and I yes.
Brayden.
I like these little dart things. These are really cool. Oh no! I like basketball. Okay, now I'm gonna be showing you the for my birthday. I got this for my stepmom. It says I love you to the moon and back. Okay, now pause it.
Bye. We're right back.